Why do millions of Americans work harder every year but still feel broke? The answer isn't always low income. It's often how money is spent. After getting a raise, many people immediately upgrade their lifestyle.
A bigger house, more shopping, and more monthly payments.
This is called lifestyle inflation. Wealthy people often invest their extra income instead. They buy assets that can grow and generate more money. One side buys liabilities, the other buys assets.
Small investments today can become significant wealth over time.
The real goal is making your money work for you.
Building wealth isn't about earning more. It's about keeping and growing more.
Follow for simple 60-second finance lessons that can help you build wealth.